Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So before we begin, I just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So we're going to start right into the tutorial today. For today's look, I'm going to be using my short square full gel soft nail covers. I do sell these in my Etsy shop, and this is honestly my personal favorite shape. Even though it says short square, these are more of a medium square. As you can see, they do have a little bit of length to them, but not too much. And all I'm doing now is sizing out my nails and making sure they fit wall to wall. I am not doing prep in this video, but I will be sure to leave a link down below to a video that has prep in it. So just be sure that before you do this whole tutorial that you fully prep your nails, or else your nails will not last. Alright, so our adhesive for today is my solid nail tip glue gel. This is also sold in my Etsy shop, and this is becoming one of my favorite methods just because of how speedy it is. It's honestly super fast, and it is like a true game changer when it comes to doing nails. Doing nails can be a long process, but this just makes the process so much faster. So as you can see, all I'm doing is going in with a small amount of solid nail glue gel. The more you use this product, you'll kind of get the hang of what amount you need and what amount is too much or what amount is perfect. So I'm just going in, taking a small amount and pressing it on my nails. If you happen to get any excess around the edges, you just want to make sure that you clean that up with your finger. As you can see, I just did a little swipe and took some excess away before you cure. This is a solid nail tip glue gel. So it's basically like nail glue, but it's solid. And it's almost like, the texture is kind of like a solid putty, not slime. It's like a solid putty. So I really enjoy this product because it just makes the nail application process so much easier and so much quicker. As I said, I do see a lot of you guys in my comments on my Etsy shop raving about this product, and I'm so happy you guys love it just as much as I do. As always, I'll be sure to leave the link to everything down below, but I'm just going in and I'm literally just applying it, like putting a small amount of the solid nail tip glue gel on my nail and pressing it down, and bam, I just go from there. I am doing my real full nails, so unfortunately I didn't get any prep in this video, but I'm just gonna go in and apply these to all my nails, and I will be right back. Alrighty, so the nails are fully on. I'm going to go in with a 80/80 grit emery board. We are so conditioned and used to using 100/180 grit nail files, and let me tell you guys, this is honestly such a true game changer. Go on Amazon. I do have an Amazon storefront, and these are going to be linked down below. And try 80/80 grit Amazon. Try 80/80 grit nail files. They are so much easier, so much faster. You don't have to do too much shaping with these because these are fully shaped already and prepped for you, which is the beauty of soft gel full nail covers. If you have problems shaping like I do, definitely recommend trying these out because they're just going to make the process so much easier for you. As you know, shaping can take a long time if your nail tips aren't shaped. So that's why I prefer using full cover nail tips. All I'm doing is going in and really just sharpening up the edges and, just doing my finishing touches. But this process is super quick, and I definitely recommend using an 80/80 grit nail file because it just makes everything super sharp, clean, and quicker than your average 100/180 grit nail file. We are going to be doing a polish over top of our nails, so you want to make sure that you're roughening up the outside of the nails before applying any type of polish. I'm just using this buffer that I purchased off of Shein. This is probably like a 180 grit buffer. It's not the roughest, so you just want to make sure that your nails do have some scratches on the outside for maximum adhesion. Alright, so we're going to be using OPI products today. This video is not sponsored. I wish it was, but it's not. And we're going to be using OPI base coat, and we're also going to be using the colors Funny Bunny and Bubble Bath. So basically all I'm going to be doing is going in with that base coat. I don't think I put it in this video, but I did a layer of the base coat, and then I went in with a layer of Funny Bunny and then 2 layers of OPI Bubble Bath on top of it. I kind of did this video a little bit weird because I was playing around with it because I did a few different, 1 coat of Bubble Bath, 2 coats of Funny Bunny, and I was just trying to figure out which one worked the best for me. And it just happens that 1 coat of Funny Bunny and 2 coats of Bubble Bath gave me that perfect milky pink texture that I was looking for. So that's what I'm doing. I know it looks like super backwards, but that's because I had already put a coat of Funny Bunny on 2 of my nails. But yeah, so you just want to go in with a coat, and then I would cure that coat for about 30 seconds between each coat and go from there. I really love OPI colors. These colors are drop dead gorgeous. Like, Funny Bunny, put it in neutral, Bubble Bath. They're like, pretty solid go-tos that a lot of people use. And this combination is beautiful. I do recommend using this combination on natural nail tips that are a little bit shorter. So like it fully covers your natural nail because you'll kind of really see that ombre that it creates a little bit better. But regardless, it's still beautiful colors, beautiful shades. But yeah, I ordered this gel polish off of the website Beyond Polish. I don't have a coupon code or anything. Like I said, this video isn't sponsored, but I know it can be hard to get OPI gel polishes if you're not like licensed. And I don't believe you can purchase them off of Amazon. You might be able to, and if you can, I'll be sure to leave a link. But I purchased mine personally from Beyond Polish, and I got a few different colors. The base coat, though, believe it or not, guys, was being sold in TJ Maxx, and I was super surprised that they had the base coat. They didn't have any top coat, which is totally fine. I needed a good base coat, so I'll be trying that in my prep routine as well because it seems like it was very like sticky, and a good base coat should be that for prep. So I'll let you guys know how I enjoyed the base coat. For this video, it did the job. I feel like using all of the same brand for products, they're meant to go together. So 10 out of 10, definitely recommend giving this look a try. And like I said, if I can't find the link on Amazon for these products, then I'll be sure to leave a link to Beyond Polished, which is where I got the gels from. Alright, so for top coat, we're going to be using Model 1's top coat. You guys know I rave about this in every video. I'm not even going to go into it. I love this top coat. It's one of my favorites. Link is down below. You can purchase this off of Amazon, but I'm just going in and topping off my nails. You can use a regular top coat like I did, or you can use a subtle glitter type of top coat if you want, like, a little subtle shine and shimmer to it. But I just used a regular top coat for today's video. And last and finally, we're going to be using cuticle oil. I'm going in with jasmine cuticle oil today. These cuticle oils are sold in my Etsy shop, and I say it in every video. You want to invest in a really hydrating cuticle oil, because it does not matter how cute your nails are. If your cuticles are crusty, it's not a good look, sis. So these cuticle oils are super hydrating, and they're made with all natural ingredients and flowers. Definitely recommend checking the link in the description to give them a try. But here's the final look. Gorgeous. I mean, I love this combination. It's probably going to be my go-to for a while. If you guys enjoyed this video, please feel free to give me a like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps my channel. I am posting more on all platforms. Follow me on TikTok, and I am posting more on my Instagram and trying to do some reels and whatnot. So if you guys enjoy, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Love you all. Mwah.